The air at Limassol Marina this year was electric, charged with anticipation and the unmistakable sense that something extraordinary was unfolding. iFX EXPO 2025 wasn't just another industry event, it was a turning point for Fintech, a gathering where the boundaries of possibility were being redrawn in real time. For years, innovation felt abstract, discussed in theory, debated in panels, but rarely seen in action at this scale. This year, the future was tangible, present in every keynote and conversation. The energy was palpable as leaders shared not just visions, but real-world breakthroughs. The dialogue matured, no longer isolated tech or regulation talks, but a focus on their intersection, where innovation meets compliance and disruption finds its footing in the real world. AI within new regulatory frameworks became a central theme, with experts debating how to harness its power responsibly. Institutional crypto adoption is now reshaping liquidity, opening doors to new asset classes and transforming how capital flows across borders. Success now demands a holistic view. Nothing operates in a vacuum. Every decision must account for technology, regulation, and market sentiment all at once. The most striking change? Speed. The pace of transformation has accelerated beyond expectations, leaving no room for hesitation. Technologies that were concepts last year are now live, shrinking the gap between idea and application. Startups and established players alike are racing to deploy solutions. Everyone, from global banks to retail brokers, faces pressure to adapt faster than ever. The competitive landscape is being rewritten before our eyes. The era of cautious observation is over. Decisive action is required. Those who hesitate risk being left behind in this new era of relentless progress. This essay distills the most critical insights our team gathered from this landmark event, capturing the essence of a rapidly shifting industry. We'll explore AI's game-changing impact, our own announcements, and the stories behind the innovations that are setting new standards. We'll also examine the new regulatory and market dynamics shaping our world and how industry leaders are responding to these challenges. The lessons from iFX EXPO 2025 are a clear call to action, a blueprint for those ready to lead, not just follow. They provide a roadmap for thriving in tomorrow's rapidly evolving financial landscape, where adaptability and vision are the keys to enduring success. Artificial intelligence dominated the conference halls, not as hype, but as reality. The energy was palpable, with industry leaders and innovators gathering to discuss how AI is fundamentally reshaping the trading landscape. Everywhere you looked, conversations centered on the practical applications of machine learning and automation in finance. Keynotes showcased AI's deep integration into trading platforms, creating hyper-personalized, predictive environments. These platforms are now capable of adapting to individual trader profiles, learning from their habits, and anticipating their needs in real time.
We saw AI tools analyzing trader behavior and risk appetite, delivering bespoke insights and tailored opportunities. This level of customization was once unimaginable, but now it's becoming the standard for both institutional and retail traders.
One standout was AI in risk management. Machine learning systems now monitor trading in real time, spotting suspicious patterns humans would miss. These systems can flag anomalies instantly, helping firms respond to threats before they escalate. For brokers, this leap means enhanced security and streamlined compliance. Regulatory requirements are easier to meet, and the risk of costly errors is dramatically reduced. AI is now essential for operational integrity, not just a competitive edge. Firms that fail to adopt these technologies risk falling behind in both efficiency and trust.
Another keynote showed how AI democratizes advanced trading strategies, once reserved for hedge funds, now accessible to all. This shift is leveling the playing field, giving smaller players access to tools that were previously out of reach.
Platforms now let brokers offer AI-driven analytics that backtest strategies in seconds, providing instant feedback and actionable insights that help traders refine their approach with unprecedented speed, empowering retail traders like never before. Individuals can now compete with institutions, leveraging the same sophisticated analytics and decision-making tools. The expectation is no longer just stability, but intelligence and adaptability. Traders and brokers alike demand systems that can evolve and respond to changing market conditions. Brokers demand platforms that seamlessly integrate advanced AI features. The focus is on user-friendly interfaces and robust, scalable solutions that can grow with their business. The future of trading technology is open, flexible ecosystems where AI tools empower next-generation experiences. As these innovations continue to evolve, the industry is poised for a new era of intelligence, transparency, and opportunity.
iFX EXPO 2025 was the perfect stage for X-Open Hub to unveil major advancements. We announced a partnership with a leading AI analytics firm, integrating real-time predictive insights directly into our platform. Our migration to a cloud-native architecture delivers unmatched scalability and speed, handling trading surges without performance dips.
We also launched a modular, customizable front end. Brokers can now tailor their platforms with drag-and-drop ease.
Our expanded multi-asset liquidity now includes 500+ new CFDs from Asia and Latin America, meeting client demand for global diversification. These upgrades reinforce our mission to deliver the most comprehensive, flexible institutional liquidity and technology solution. X-Open Hub is future-proofing trading for our clients.
Regulatory change was front and center, especially with Europe's DORA and MiFID II updates. DORA sets tough new standards for operational resilience. Brokers need transparent, compliant tech partners.
In Asia, regulatory convergence is happening. But with regional twists, Singapore and Hong Kong are embracing digital assets, while others tighten CFD rules. Global brokers face a complex compliance puzzle. One size fits all is obsolete.
Data security and privacy are under the microscope. With GDPR updates in Europe and new laws in Asia, platforms must now be privacy by design, not just feature-rich.
The message, anticipate regulation, don't just react.
For X-Open Hub, this means doubling down on compliance and resilience. Regulation is our opportunity to build trust. We're committed to a secure, transparent trading environment.
At iFX EXPO 2025, the conversation around crypto was refreshingly pragmatic. Instead of hype, the spotlight was on real-world utility and the growing wave of institutional adoption. Industry leaders and financial professionals discussed how crypto is maturing, with a clear focus on practical applications that can drive value for both investors and the broader economy. One of the most talked about trends was the tokenization of real-world assets. Banks are now piloting digital real estate projects, as well as tokenized bonds and even art, making these assets more accessible and liquid than ever before. Major financial giants are entering the crypto space, establishing robust custody and trading desks. Their involvement is bringing a new level of credibility, stability, and trust to the market. This institutional embrace is rapidly transforming crypto into a mainstream asset class. It's driving greater liquidity, expanding broker offerings, and attracting a wider range of participants.
Meanwhile, tech discussions have moved well beyond Bitcoin. Specialized blockchains and Layer 2 solutions are now addressing critical speed and cost challenges, paving the way for scalable adoption.
These innovations enable high-frequency trading and the development of complex DeFi applications, which are essential for the next generation of financial products and services.
For X-Open Hub, this is the moment to deepen digital asset integration, offering clients access to tokenized assets and direct exchange connectivity, all within a secure environment. The future lies in a seamless, multi-asset platform that bridges the gap between traditional and digital finance, empowering users with more choice and flexibility. Staying ahead of this convergence is our strategic focus, ensuring we lead in this new era of financial innovation. Liquidity, the industry's lifeblood, is being transformed. The old model of Tier 1 bank dominance is giving way to a fragmented, democratized landscape.
Non-bank liquidity providers and hedge funds now compete directly, offering tighter spreads and deeper liquidity, especially in exotics.
This complexity is both a challenge and an opportunity. Brokers must aggregate diverse liquidity sources for best execution.
Smart order routing is now essential, as is technology that connects to new digital asset liquidity pools.
Crypto's rise is impacting FX and CFD liquidity, with 24/7 venues and stablecoin settlements on the horizon. At X-Open Hub, our multi-source aggregation engine is built for this new dynamic. We're not just a price feed, we're a technology partner navigating the evolving market. Insights from iFX EXPO 2025 have sharpened our strategic direction.
Our Vision X Open Hub is the definitive institutional-grade multi-asset platform.
Our three pillars, intelligent technology, comprehensive asset access, and unwavering partnership, are deeply interconnected.
We're investing heavily in AI and machine learning, building proprietary models for risk, analytics, and education.
Our platform will deliver actionable insights, not just trade execution.
Asset access is expanding. FX, indices, stocks, commodities, digital assets, and tokenized RWAs, all from one account.
We're bridging TradFi and DeFi, giving clients the liquidity and tech to meet any trader demand.
Partnership is our foundation. Clients need more than software. They need a strategic ally.
We're deepening relationships with enhanced support and compliance guidance.
Our client's success is our success. This partnership ethos guides every decision. Rapid change brings opportunity. Traders must embrace continuous learning.
Relying on a single strategy is over. Seek out education on AI tools and blockchain fundamentals.
Understanding new tools and assets is key. Step outside your comfort zone.
Choose brokers who invest in technology and adapt to regulation, not just those with low fees.
Does your broker offer broad asset access and modern analytics?
A forward-thinking broker is your best partner.
Use AI tools as research assistants. Combine their insights with your own analysis and risk management.
Adaptability and robust risk management are critical. Markets move faster and are more interconnected than ever.
Use stop losses, avoid over-leveraging, and diversify across asset classes. The most successful traders will be the most adaptable and disciplined.
FX EXPO 2025 affirmed our industry's place at the forefront of a technological revolution. The convergence of AI, blockchain, and regulation is shaping our present, not just our future. The greatest risk is passivity. Success belongs to the bold and innovative. At X Open Hub, our vision is sharper than ever. Intelligent technology, comprehensive asset access, and true partnership. We're building the infrastructure for tomorrow's trading, empowering our partners and clients. The Expo's lessons are a call to action for all. Innovate, adapt, and learn. The path forward is collaboration and foresight. The future is here, and we're excited to build it together.